Have you been trying your best every single year to build an amazing speaking business, but you keep floundering and not knowing what to do? Well, hi, I'm Antoinette Bond, and we have been in the speaking industry for over 20 years, working with people just like you to help elevate your game. And I have a secret. We're coming to a city near you. Can you even believe that? You see, we were so previously focused on platforms and going out to stages and audiences all over the world, and people have called us all throughout the years, every single day, asking, how did you do it? So you know what we did for people just like you? We packaged it up. We created a system that we are now showing you how you can launch, how you can grow, how you can actually go from being a non-paid speaker to a highly demand speaker. So join us in a city near you. And so if you're wondering who I am, do you remember Mr. Shark Mindset himself? Well, I'm the other part of that team, Walter Bond. Walter Bond is the GOAT. He is killing the stage. You might have seen him on YouTube. You may have seen him in a crowd near you. And I know you have a story that you want to tell. I hope to see you soon in a city near you so we can teach and help you get to your first $1 million, help you launch your 7-figure speaking business, and help you get ready to launch. We'll see you on our 90 Days to Launch tour. See you soon.